Here is my quick and fresh definition for ReactJS. Extremely popular, declarative, and component-based architecture. Popular since it's built with the Facebook team in 2013. The community is getting massive, huge, because it's super easy for maintaining and building the UI of the web applications. The second thing, declarative. You will not care about how does this component works, but only you will care how does this component will look like at the end. And also it's component-based architecture. ReactJS is all about creating reusable components and dependent small pieces of code and then combine them together to make your complex UI. You can think of React is like a building blocks that you create a button component, menu component, navbar component, for example, and then combine them together to make something amazing. React is fast, efficient, and extremely loved by the developers worldwide. Actually, isn't just a tool. It's the game changer for the modern web applications. Now, maybe a question pops in your head. For example, why we should learn this library? I will simplify it for you in 3 reasons, which is the first one is the performance. The performance here is huge and is important to keeping the users engaging with the website or with the web applications, because React using something called virtual DOM. I will explain it in a minute, but this virtual DOM will make our app like lightning fast. The second reason, which is it's a high demand in the job market. ReactJS is one of the most important and the high demand and technologies out there for the developers in the world, and especially for the big companies such as like Uber, Netflix, and Airbnb are hiring React developers with a salary ranging from 80,000K and 150,000K per year. And the third reason, and this one the important one, which is like reusable components. React let you build once and you reuse it in the whole application later on. That will save you time and make your code cleaner and easy to maintain. And here is the best part about React. So React isn't just for web development. You can also build with React mobile and desktop applications. For the mobile applications, there is something called React Native. This React Native lets you write React code and deploy it to both systems, iOS and Android. Apps like Instagram, Airbnb use React Native. And for desktop applications, you can use something called Electron. And in this Electron, it combines between React and Node.js to creating a cross-platform desktop applications. Apps like Slack and Visual Studio Code are built with Electron. So with React, you can create once and run everywhere. And now let's dive in, as I mentioned before, to explaining the